Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is AB Tech, and on today's video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. During the last Samsung release of S25 Ultra, they gave us a snapshot of what S25 Edge is going to look. They did not put any specification, but what we noticed and all the reports that we are getting indicate that it's going to be the thinnest, it's going to be the lightest, and it's going to be the most performed phone that Samsung will ever produce or has ever produced, as the case may be. So, according to the report, when we talk about the design, we heard that the dimension is going to be 159 by 76 by 5.8 millimeter, and is going to weigh approximately 160 gram compared to S25 Ultra that weighs 218 gram. So you can see there will be a definite reduction on the weight of this device. And for the build, it is rumored that it's going to be an ultra thin bezel, but we don't know the materials that is going to be used now, to compare to S25 Ultra, that aluminum titanium was used. So we don't know the specific materials to be used for this device. And another rumor that we've also heard is about the display. Okay, we heard that it's going to come with 6.6 inches display compared to S25 that comes with 6.9 inches display. It's going to come with LTPO AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate compared to S25 that come with dynamic AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate. So there will be a little bit of reduction in the display when it comes to S25 Edge. And the resolution is going to be 2400 by 1080 pixels. And according to reports, the brightness is going to be around 2600 nits, which is also the same thing as that of S25 Ultra. So there's similarity when it comes to the display. Then let's talk about the performance. According to rumor, we heard that it's going to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is also the same chipset that S25 came with, and it's going to come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and the storage options are going to be 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes of storage, compared to that of S25 Ultra that the storage is up to 1 terabyte. So according to reports, we are not going to have up to 1 terabyte of internal storage for this device. And for the camera department, we heard that it's going to come with 200 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, while some rumors suggest that it's 50 megapixel. Front camera is going to come with 10 megapixel front camera. So when it comes to the camera department, S25 Ultra actually have more camera capability compared to this S25 Edge. So let's see how it goes. Let's talk about the battery life. According to reports, we heard that this device is going to come with 3900 milliamp hour of battery compared to that of S25 Ultra, that is 5000 milliamp hour of battery. So there will be reduction in battery capacity, and this is due to the slimness and the thinness of the phone. So the battery capacity is definitely going to be affected. It's going to come with 20 watts wired charging, and there will not be wireless charging capability for this device compared to S25 Ultra that came with 45 watts 45 watts wired charging and 25 watt wireless charging and 15 watts wireless charging. So additional feature is that this one is not going to support S Pen because there will not be space for the S Pen to be integrated into the device, but it's going to integrate a lot of AI capabilities that S25 Ultra has. So the difference between these two devices will just be in the battery capacity and in the camera capacity. And we are not really sure about the material that they are going to use in building this device. But what we are sure of is going to be very thin. It will not support S Pen, and the battery capacity is not going to be up to 5000 milliamp hours of battery. So these are the reports that we have gotten so far. Please kindly try to subscribe and follow us on this channel and engage, because your engagement means a lot to us. Thank you. See you in my next video.